Welcome back to our culinary journey, where today we explore the 11 most delicious and healthiest dishes from around the globe. From the vibrant streets of Lima to the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean, we'll uncover culinary treasures that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. Let's dive in. First on our list is the vibrant quinoa salad from Peru. This ancient grain, a staple of the Incas, is packed with protein and fiber, giving you that long-lasting energy you need. We're talking about tossing this superfood with sweet bell peppers, juicy cherry tomatoes, and a squeeze of zesty lime. It's a refreshing explosion of color and taste that's light, delicious, and won't weigh you down. Imagine the crunch of the quinoa, the sweetness of the peppers, the tang of the lime. It's a party in your mouth. Next, we venture to Greece with a hearty Mediterranean chickpea stew. We're talking about plump garbanzo beans, fresh spinach wilted to perfection, and a generous glug of olive oil that brings everything together. And the herbs, oregano, basil, thyme, all singing in harmony to create a symphony of flavor that will transport you straight to a sun-drenched Greek island. This isn't just a stew, it's soul food. Perfect for a cozy night in or a light lunch with friends. Good quality ingredients, cooked with love and care, and you have a dish that's both nourishing and incredibly satisfying. Sushi, an iconic dish from Japan, is next on our list. Imagine perfectly cooked sushi rice, seasoned with just the right amount of vinegar, enveloping fresh fish, creamy avocado, and crunchy cucumber. Each bite is a delicate dance of textures and flavors, the perfect balance of sweet, salty, and savory. And don't forget the wasabi, a little kick to wake up those taste buds and clear your sinuses. From the heart of Provence, we present ratatouille, a vegetable medley that's as stunning as it is nutritious. Think zucchini, eggplant, and bell peppers all cooked to perfection, each bite bursting with the sweetness of the sun. And the herbs, thyme, rosemary, basil, all singing in harmony to create a symphony of flavor that will transport you straight to the south of France. This isn't just a vegetable dish, it's a celebration of the bounty of the Provençal countryside. Our journey takes us to India with masoor dal, a lentil dish that's as comforting as a warm hug. We're talking red lentils cooked to perfection with fragrant spices like cumin, turmeric, and coriander, creating a symphony of aromas that will fill your kitchen. Just saute your spices, add your lentils and water, and let it simmer until you have a creamy, flavorful dal that will warm your soul. Serve it with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread for a complete meal that's both satisfying and nutritious. This dish is a staple in Indian households for a reason. Returning to Peru, we savor ceviche, a dish that showcases the ocean's freshest bounty. We're talking about the freshest white fish, cooked to perfection in a zesty marinade of lime juice, onions, and cilantro. The acidity of the lime gently cures the fish, creating a texture that's both delicate and firm. The tangy lime juice, the sharp bite of the onions, the refreshing cilantro, all come together to create a symphony of flavors that will make your taste buds sing. Next, we travel to Thailand for a luscious green curry, a dish that perfectly embodies the balance of flavors found in Thai cuisine. We're talking creamy coconut milk, fiery green chilies, fragrant lemongrass, and a medley of fresh vegetables, all simmered to perfection. The heat of the chilies is tempered by the sweetness of the coconut milk, creating a harmonious blend of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Serve it with a side of steamed jasmine rice for a complete meal that will transport you straight to the bustling streets of Bangkok. Finally, we arrive in Korea with bibimbap, a colorful rice bowl that's as much a feast for the eyes as it is for the stomach. We're talking about perfectly cooked rice topped with a medley of seasoned vegetables, savory marinated beef, a perfectly fried egg, and a dollop of fiery gochujang. Each ingredient brings its own unique flavor and texture to the party, creating a harmonious blend of sweet, spicy, salty, and savory. And the best part? You get to mix it all up, creating a flavor explosion in every bite. Bibimbap is more than just a dish, it's an experience. Our culinary adventure wouldn't be complete without hummus, a beloved dip from the Middle East that's taken the world by storm. We're talking about creamy, dreamy chickpeas blended with tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and a generous glug of olive oil, creating a symphony of flavors that will have you going back for more. The beauty of hummus lies in its simplicity. Just a handful of ingredients blended together to create a dip that's both delicious and incredibly versatile. Serve it with warm pita bread, fresh vegetables, or even as a sandwich spread. We can't forget about chia pudding, a breakfast staple with ancient roots in Central America that's experienced a modern resurgence. We're talking about tiny chia seeds that transform into a delightful pudding when soaked in your choice of milk. These little seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, giving you a powerful nutritional punch to start your day. And the best part? You can customize it to your heart's content. Add fresh fruit for sweetness, nuts for crunch, or a drizzle of honey for a touch of indulgence. Chia pudding is the perfect blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Finally, we explore the Andean potato salad, a dish that showcases the incredible diversity of potatoes found in Peru. We're talking about a rainbow of colorful potatoes, each with its own unique texture and flavor, tossed with fresh herbs, a hint of vinegar, and a touch of spice. The potatoes are cooked to perfection, retaining their shape and texture, while the dressing adds a bright, tangy counterpoint to the earthy flavors. This salad is a celebration of Peru's rich agricultural heritage, a testament to the incredible diversity of ingredients found in the Andes Mountains. There you have it, 11 of the most delicious and healthiest dishes from around the world. Each one tells a unique story of culture and tradition, a testament to the power of food to connect us all. From the vibrant spices of India to the fresh seafood of Peru, we've explored a world of flavors and ingredients, proving that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. So what are you waiting for? Get in the kitchen and start cooking. Which dish are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more culinary adventures.